friends, Running Kimono here, and I hope you're all doing fantastic. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to talk about Walgreens summer clearance. A lot of you have been asking about it. I have a definitive date for both 70 and 90. So right now, if you go to your store, most items should be ringing 70% off. On Thursday, September the 7th, it's going to either be 80% or 90% off in most markets. It's leaning towards 90% off in most markets, but I could be wrong. Definitely keep an eye on social media Thursday morning moving forward. Is this worth your time? Yes or no? Right now, if you have a $10 item at 70% off, it's going to be $3. The same $10 item moving on Thursday at 90% off will be $1. So that's amazing. So definitely keep an eye out on social media, even the comments of this video, what people are talking about, so you can be prepared and not waste a drop of gas. Make sure that your store, it's happening. You got to go in store to make this happen. You can't just order a bunch of stuff through your cell phone, but being prepared, or even if you could swing by the store and then see what's left. If you're living in California, Texas, there might not be much left, but if you're living, perhaps in Iowa or something like that, there might be a whole lot left, or even Michigan sometimes has a lot left. So as stated, guys, you have to do this in store. You can't order all this stuff through the app and hope and pray it's going to be discounted and they'll just put it in a little Walgreens bag and you can do curbside pickup. It's got to be in store only. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash or store register rewards or any kind of register reward to pay down the balance. This is the time to use your Walgreens cash. It's like poker, time to pay. I'm definitely looking for Melissa and Doug, some balloons and stuff for stocking stuffers for my nieces and nephews to do Christmas on the cheap. And I'm definitely setting myself a budget. I'm not going to buy everything and anything like I've done in years past. So we're going to go through this now slide by slide, and I'm just going to give you the math at 90% because I think most of us are going to have 90% off stores. So on the left-hand side, that little thrower with a bunch of balloons will be $2.49. And then the larger pack of just the regular balloons will be 99 cents. So instead of paying $3 for those balloons, definitely I'm waiting until Thursday because I want to save even more money. Now, these little freezies that they have, freeze bars, freezies, whatever you call them, this will be 32 cents starting on Thursday. Definitely I make it happen. Even if you get the flu in the middle of winter, these Powerade freeze bars are really great. We have just a little fun in the sun items. So $1.50 for that little thrower, and then 79 cents for whatever that is on the right, some sort of like kids' toys and the fun in the sun sort of stuff. Now, if you're into gardening, a lot of those cutesy little lights, 89 cents for that for your garden party, or the little pots and stuff, that would be 99 cents on the right-hand side. They always have little flowers or a tomato grow kit. It's sold out at my store, but maybe you might be lucky to track that down. And then lots of pools and floaties, those good sort of items. So this would be $1.99 for the big pool candy on the left-hand side. And then for the glitter tube, it would also be $2.49. So that's a really great price point. So at this store that I was visiting, there's a lot of different socks. So I'm thinking either 29 cents or 49 cents, depending what they have. They look like children's socks as well, perfect stocking stuffer. And there's a lot of baby stuff. So that would be $1.29 for the little bowl set. If you're going to go to a baby shower, stock up on these little items, and then you can build a really beautiful gift for a baby shower, or if you're having a baby. We have a little paddle set for probably 80 cents or so, and these different fun in the sun pools, these sort of things, anywhere between 59 cents, $2.49, $9.99. Sorry, the picture is a little further back, but depending what you want for next summer, definitely time to pick up one of those pools. We have a little paint by number. This will be 59 cents on the left hand side. And then the balloons, oh my gosh, at 99 cents, and you're going to get a couple hundred in that big container. Definitely time to stock up. Now, some items that they have an overabundance of, for example, such as the socks or these Frisbees, they've already tagged them at 90% off. So it's 15 cents. So they were $1.50 originally for these Frisbees. perfect time to stock up on a bunch of them for next summer. And then we have the little cooling fans. It'll be $1 each or 99 cents, and a lot of bubbles as well. I'm going to let you know if you are going to stock up on those bubbles. If you live in a colder climate, you definitely have to put it in your house to store it till next summer, because this stuff does freeze and possibly can explode between when spring rolls around. I've had that happen once before. I stored it in a shed very stupidly. And then this slime, oh my gosh, 69 cents. That makes the absolute perfect gift for nieces and nephews, because they are that age where they like slime and little kits like that. Okay, that's it for this video. I would definitely get out to your Walgreens, scout what they might have, and Thursday is the day. Read the comments of this video in case it doesn't happen, but right now it's 70%. You decide, do you buy at 70, or do you go in there on Thursday morning and make it happen at 90% and pay like 90%, which is way better? You know, it's like the old Kenny Rogers song. You got to know when to hold them and know when to walk away and all that stuff. I'm going to gamble for Thursday, and we'll see how I do. Share in the comments what your store is at and what you're finding, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.